Prestissima here. Today we're going to learn a song called Bebi Notsa. It means baby sleep. Bebi Notsa is a Native American Creek folk song and lullaby. Let's get started. Bebi Notsa uses notes from the G major scale. So let's practice our G major scale. We're going to start on this G below middle C. Okay, so let's try it. Oh, don't forget, G major has an F sharp, right? So here we go. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G back down, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. All right, good job. Let's look at the time signature. So it's in 4/4, meaning we have 4 beats per measure and the quarter note gets the beat, okay? Now, we have a very interesting pattern right here. Okay, so remember, this is the dotted quarter note. We've seen that. A quarter note has 2 eighth notes, and the dotted quarter note has 3 eighth notes in it. So if we start on 1, the and is part of this dotted quarter note. So it's 1 and 2 and, right? Because you have 3 eighth notes. So it's 1 and 2 and then you go to 3 and 4 and. And you'll see the same thing over and over. We'll see 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's try counting through the whole right hand in the treble clef here, and we'll subdivide the beats. Okay, here we go. I'll count off 4 beats for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good job. Okay, this time I'm going to play the melody, but you're still going to count it with me, okay? So I'll play the melody with my right hand. I'll count off 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so the left hand here, we're pretty much seeing all quarter notes, right? But there's also a whole note, and it's right next to the quarter note. So what does this really mean? This means that they want us to hold this whole note down for the whole measure while we play these other notes, okay? So see that G? We're going to hold that and then also play the D. See how you keep hearing the G there? You're going to hold the G down and then play the D. And then same again. You're going to hold that G down and then go up to the B and then the D. And you can keep hearing the G. That's kind of cool, huh? So let's try playing the left hand and you count along with me, okay? So I'm going to count off 4 for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 All right, now let's look at the dynamics. So we know that this is a lullaby, so we want to play it soft so that baby will go to sleep, right? So let's see what we've got here. We've got piano with the M, so mezzo piano, meaning medium soft. And then in the left hand, we have two P's. Remember, that's pianissimo, or very soft, right? So when you see that we have a mezzo piano and pianissimo, they want you to play the melody a little bit louder than the left hand so that we can hear the melody. Okay, so we're going to hear this melody still softly, but even softer in the left hand, okay? So you're going to learn your right hand and you're going to learn your left hand. And remember to practice subdividing the beat, right? You're going to count your subdivisions. Then we'll put the hands together and then you'll learn the lyrics and sing while you play. And we'll also learn the solfege. And then you'll learn to sing and play the solfege as well. So today we learned Bebi Notsa, or baby sleep. And we learned how to hold down one finger while we were playing other notes, right? And we practiced some dynamics. We played pianissimo. So remember, practice all your songs, sing as you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!